We all remember topic sentences from high school. I'm sure you're rolling your eyes and yeah, topic sentences. But there's another reason they're so important today. Research has supported that people's attention span when reading is dropping year over year. It's now down to around 9 seconds, that how much time people spend to read a single email. The topic sentence serves to stand out, to tell the reader, this is what this is about. You can read it or not read it, choice is yours. But what we can't do is mislead the reader or don't give the reader that overview, and then they potentially miss important information. Readers are trying to triage information. We have a ton of things to do. We're trying to quickly understand what's important to us and perhaps what's not. Is this something relevant to me in my world, or is it not? And these topic sentences serve to gain that reader's attention. If we think for a second, we take the most important information and we put it somewhere in the middle at the end of a paragraph or a document, and we don't give the reader that overview, there's a chance that they're not reading things when they really should be. So what do your first sentences look like? And are they doing the job to catch the reader?